Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to cancel your order in Taco Bell app on your device. So as we know that the Taco Bell app lets you order food ahead, customize meals, earn rewards points, access exclusive deals, and find nearby location for pickup or delivery. So to know how to cancel the order Taco Bell, you need to follow a few steps. First, you need to make sure that you have downloaded the app Taco Bell, and the most important things in here is that to order or to cancel or to watch your to track your points or menu rewards checking, to do whatever you need to make sure that you have created an account in Taco Bell, so that you will be able to only explore the features after creating or log into the account. And after that, you just need to go to the order history section and find the order you want to cancel. If the option is available, then tap cancel order. Note, you may only be able to cancel the order if the order hasn't been prepared or is still in the processing stage. And if you don't see a cancel option, you can try contacting the Taco Bell customer support or the store directly to request a cancellation. And if the order is already being prepared or has been completed, cancellation may not be possible. So you need to make sure that you are doing cancel in earlier than your order is prepared or completed. So that's how you can just cancel the order in the Taco Bell app. So let me know if you need further help in our comment section below. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.